Before I proceed with my interpellation, may I move that Miss Catherine Ong be confined sa Correctional Institute for Women for 30 days after she has served her detention for the first contempt that we have issued. So move, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Before I proceed with my interpellation, may I move that Miss Catherine Ong be confined sa Correctional Institute for Women for 30 days after she has served her detention for the first contempt that we have issued. So move, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, is that a motion to detain Ms. Cassandra Ong at the Women's Correctional?
Yes.
Mr. Chair, we know very well that Ms. Ong has an ailment. And in fact, just last week, she was just released from the hospital. So maybe this committee should consider whether this move, or if we transfer Ms. Cassandra Ong to the Women's Correctional, this might aggravate her condition, Mr. Chair. So, I believe, for humanitarian reasons, Mr. Chair, considering her ailment, we should reconsider this motion to detain her at the Women's Correctional, Mr. Chair. Or maybe, for that matter, we should let the medical team check on her whether she is fit. Because, Mr. Chair, if something happens to Ms. Cassandra Ong, that would be the responsibility of this committee, Mr. Chair. So on the grounds of humanitarian reasons, this representation would like to appeal that we should reconsider this motion, Mr. Chair.
1 minute suspension.
Mr. Chair. Suspended na pala.
Parliamentary status is that there is a motion by Congressman Acop to detain Ms. Cassandra Ong for 30 days. However, before the ruling of the chair, Congressman Johnny Pimentel made a manifestation, in effect an appeal to the ruling of the chair as to the plan to detain her for 30 days at the Mandaluyong Women's Correctional. Now, I believe, Your Honor, Congressman Pimentel, that we can actually ask the medical team to check on Ms. Cassandra Ong periodically while she is detained at the Women's Correctional. If she doesn't trust the medical director of the Women's Correctional, maybe we can ask that our own medical team from the House of Representatives go check on her periodically in order to assure the committee and assure Cassandra Ong that she will be looked after by professionals or medical practitioners. So, since there is a ruling earlier to transfer her detention to Mandaluyong Women's Correctional, perhaps we will implement the first ruling, then maybe wait whether Cassandra Ong with her lawyers would file a motion for recon before the Quad Committee. So I hope that satisfies our Honorable Pimentel.
Mr.
So
Chair.
therefore, we can continue with the motion of Congressman Acop. Congressman Acop, please proceed.
Now, this is not an objection on the motion of Chairman Akop. I just wanted to find out from Ms. Cassandra Ong, because there were pronouncement issued by Attorney Topacio regarding their intention that their client prepare to be in the Women's Correctional in Mandaluyong City. And a while ago, we were asking Cassandra if this is the same statement that she manifested to her lawyer. So maybe we can ask her, no, Cassandra, is this the real intention of yours to be out of this institution's custody and be transferred to Women's Correctional?
Cassandra?
Cassandra, ano mo ba yun? Intention mo talaga na kasi ang nararamdaman mo during that time, ano bang feeling mo during that time that
Okay.
you wanted to be transferred in
According
correctional?
to your lawyer, mas gugustuhin mo raw na ikaw ay ma-detain sa Women's Correctional dahil yun daw ang iyong kagustuhan, dahil kesa ikaw ay humarap dito sa Quad Committee dahil ayaw mo raw na na-humiliate ka o ini-embarrass ka dito sa committee ito. And that was a statement na ginawa ng iyong mga abogado over media, no? Sa isang interview sa social media, sinabi niya yon. Kaya ngayon, because you actually requested for that, and there was a motion earlier which was unanimously approved na ikaw ay ilipat sa Women's Correctional. So anong iyong masasabi? Wala kang masasabi. Okay. In that case, Congressman Acop, maybe we can complete and continue the motion.
Mr. Chair, I would like to repeat my motion. May I move that Ms. Cassandra Ong, because of the contempt that, because we have cited her in contempt, should be detained at the Correctional Institute for Women in Mandaluyong for a period of 30 days. So move, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to detain Cassandra Ong at the Women's Correctional Center at Mandaluyong City for 30 days. Duly seconded by Congressman Busita. Thank you. Hearing no objection, the motion is approved. Comsec, please advise SAA, Sergeant at Arms, to coordinate with the Women's Correctional for the transfer of Ms. Cassandra Ong. So, Congressman Acop?
Mr. Chair, after she has served the period of detention for the first contempt,
Oh, so the first contempt order will end when? So, okay, the first 30 days detention will end on September 26. So,
Should be transferred.
after September 26, she will be transferred to the Women's Correctional. Okay. So, that's clear. Congressman Acop, you may proceed with your interpellation.
thank you, Mr. Chair. May I move that in the next hearing, when the issue would be on POGO, that we invite Ms. Catherine Salazar and Ms. Geraldine Pipito from the
Comsec?
farm of Ms. Alice Go.
Okay, Comsec, please take note of the names and make sure that these personalities will be invited in our next hearing on Pogos.
Thank you, Mr. May I proceed?
Second,
Please proceed.
Mr. Chair, but I also would like to add Ann Jaime, Mr. Chair, the one that she gave the property to at the Alpha Land.
Likewise, Comsec, please take note of the name that Congressman Abante wishes to invite for the next hearing. This is, again, during the POGO hearing. Thank you, Comsec. Congressman Ako, please proceed.
Thank you. I will not ask any questions from Ms. Cassandra Ong and Ms. Alice Go. Nabubog na po sila eh. Kagaya ng sabi ni Honorable Konggun, mahirap yung nahuhuli dahil yung mga katanungan na tanong na po. But si Ronaldin, masarap na ang buhay mo dyan eh. Kasi ikaw lang sa tatlo ang nakakasubo ng pagkain kanina pa. Yun ang napansin ko. So, relax ka. Hindi ka man lang tinanong in 12 hours. Kanina pa tayong alas 10 dito, alas 10 na eh. So, now, Mr. Chair, may I ask questions from Honorable Mayor Dong Kalugay?
Please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Kasi isa lang yung nagtanong sa kanya eh. Sa dami ng mga impormasyon at sagot sa katanungan, hirap na po yung aking kokote para ikuan yung aking katanungan. Now, Mayor Kalugay, do you own a pig farm in Bugalyon, Pangasinan?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala. You don't have any farm in Bugalyon, Pangasinan?
Opo, Your Honor, wala po.
Wala. Now, in 2018, where were you?
Nasa Sual na po ako, Your Honor.
Nasa Sual. Anyway, before I ask the important questions, may I be allowed to ask you some personal questions?
Opo, Your Honor.
Yes. Ano po yung background ninyo? Civilian or military or police?
PNP po, Your Honor.
PNP. Ano po yung trabaho nyo nung nasa kayo PNP at ano po yung ranko ninyo?
Police Officer po, 1.
I beg your pardon?
Police Officer 1 po, Your Honor.
Kaya ako tinatanong ito para matest ko yung credibility mo, Mayor eh. Kung sasagutin mo ako ng tama. Police Officer 1. And how long have you been in the service of the PNP?
Naka 20 plus po ako, Your Honor.
I beg your pardon?
Naka 20 years po, mahigit, Your Honor.
20 years. And ano po yung ranko ninyo nung kayo'y umalis sa serbisyo?
Parehas lang po, Your Honor.
Ano po ang nangyari? Dahil 20 years, hindi ba dapat SPO4 ka na?
Hindi po ako na-promote, Your Honor.
Bakit hindi ka na-promote?
Hindi na po ako nagpa-promote, Your Honor.
Hindi ka nagpa-promote. Bakit?
Yun po, Your Honor, hindi na po ako nagpa-promote.
Bakit nga ayaw mong magpa-promote? Samantalang lahat ng membro ng AFP, Coast Guard, kahit sa civilian institution, ang gusto po nila ay ma-promote. Ikaw lang ang ayaw ma-promote. Bakit?
Your Honor, talagang hindi na po ako na-promote po, Your Honor.
Hindi ka na-promote.
Opo.
Siguro naman, hindi naman po siguro kulang sa pag-iisip yung nakakataas sa iyo na hindi ka i-promote kung tama po yung ginagawa po ninyo. Di po ba?
Your Honor, talagang hindi na po ako na-promote.
Mr. Chair, I think the resource person is not answering appropriately the question that I have propounded. Uy, kayo ang chairman.
Yes, Mayor, can you please answer directly the query of Chairman Acop? Kasi nadidinig ko paulit-ulit yung sagot mo. Please answer precisely.
Yun po talaga, Mr. Chair, hindi po talaga ako na-promote po magmula nung pumasok po ako.
Ba't hindi ka na-promote? Ikaw lang ata. Halos lahat naman ng opisyalis na po-promote. Ikaw hindi ka mapopromote. I haven't seen any officers of the PNP that yung mga magagaling na mga police, just like you, na hindi mapopromote. Parang exception ka sa lahat ng mga opisyalis doon na dapat ma-promote. Tapos naging mayor ka pa. So, ibig sabihin, magaling ka. Ba't hindi ka na-promote?
Yun,
Please reply.
yun nga po, Your Honor, at hindi po talaga ako na-promote simula nung nakapasok po ako.
Mayor, kung hindi ka na-promote, bakit tinanong mo ba kung bakit hindi ka na-promote o prino-promote ng mga authorities na PNP?
Undergrad po ako nung undergrad po ako nung ano po, Your Honor, so hindi
So,
na
in other words, pag undergrad ka, hindi ka qualified nung pumasok ka dahil ang qualification ay dapat graduate ka ng college. Ganun po ba ang sitwasyon?
may special enlistment po sa IG po, doon po ako nakapasok po sa PNP.
Ano po yung kwan? Ano yung rason kung bakit na-recruit po kayo? Dahil ang nire-recruit sa PNP ay college graduate.
Your Honor, nung na-enlist po ako sa IG, doon po ako naipasok po sa police po.
Okay, sige. Are you married?
Anal po.
Mayor, ang sagot lang po doon, married o hindi?
Ay, hindi po, sir. Your Honor.
Hindi na. Dati,
Kasal po ako.
married ka. So, tama yung sagot mo, annulled. Tama po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
Hindi ka na nag-asawa?
May kinakasama po ako.
Ngayon, may kinakasama ka ngayon.
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you. Marami pong katanungan tungkol sa mga negosyo mo. But before that, taga Pangasinan ka talaga. Taga Suwal ka ba o sa Bugalyon?
Sa Bugalyon po, Your Honor.
Sa Bugalyon. Gaano kalayo yung Bugalyon sa Suwal?
Medyo malayo po, Your Honor.
Paano ka napunta sa Suwal?
Noong ako po'y nagretiro, laban po ako doon ng dalawang politika po.
Pinalaban ka sa politika?
Opo, dalawang politika po.
Dalawang?
Dalawang mga nasa politika po. Politiko, sir.
Pwede po bang malaman, masabi dito sa committee, kung sino po yung political benefactors po ninyo kaya kayo tumakbo na mayor ng Suwal, Pangasinan?
Pinatakbo ko po ng dating governor po at congressman po ng 1st District.
Congressman ng 1st District, Governor. Sino po yung Governor at saka congressman?
Governor Amado Espino Jr., sir.
And then the congressman?
Congressman Art Celeste, sir, Your Honor.
Art Celeste.
Opo.
Okay. Being from Pangasinan, alam mo ba no, nung early years before the 80s, yung Suwal, Pangasinan ay smuggling center ng Northern Luzon?
Hindi ko po...
Hindi mo inabutan yon.
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay? Now, may I know if you have a trucking business?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Solo nyo yung business na yon?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, being the mayor, kayo po yung nag-grant ng mga permits, di po ba?
Opo, Your
Doon
Honor.
po sa negosyo na fish cages, meron po ba kayong in-award na fish cages, yung 15 fish cages, nakasama si Ms. Cheryl Medina?
Meron po silang in-apply po, Your Honor.
Meron silang in-apply. 15 yung in-approve po ninyo.
Opo, ako po nag-recommend po sa, Your Honor.
Sa Sangguniang?
Sa SB po.
Yes. Ikaw ang nag-recommend sa Sangguniang. Pero out of the 15 units, which with each unit costing 2 million, isa lang ang napunta kay Cheryl Medina. Tama po?
Ang alam ko po, Your Honor, hindi po natuloy.
Hindi natuloy. Bakit?
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor.
Kasi si Cheryl Medina is not supposed to own or allowed to own such. Di po ba tama, Madam Medina?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Now, you denied a while ago from the question of, I think, the Honorable Junicio is still here, kung tama yung aking pagkaisip, dinenay mo, Mayor, that you have a special relationship with Miss Alice Go. Tama?
Opo, Your Honor, at totoo naman po.
Tinatanong ko lang. Pero, hindi po ba yung klase ng relationship, maraming sinyales na dapat nakikita? Halimbawa, kung magkahawak kayo palagi ng kamay sa park, di ba? Di ba may special relationship kayo? Mr. Mayor?
Wala naman pong ganun na, Your Honor.
Hindi, tinatanong ko lang naman. Hindi ko naman sinasabing ginagawa ninyo eh. Ang tanong ko lang, may mga sinyales na ipapakita na merong kayong special o isang o dalawang tao may special relationship. Kagaya ng paghawak-hawak ng kamay sa parke.
Hindi ko po masabi
Hindi ba?
po kung ganun po yung may pagtitinginan
Hindi
po,
ka naniniwala doon.
Your Honor.
Yung halimbawa, bibisitahin ka sa iyong lugar ng isang babae whose place is 4 hours away by land. Hindi ba kung bibisitahin ka, may special relationship yun?
Hindi naman po siguro na 4 na oras special na po, Your Honor.
4 na oras yung Bamban to Sual, Pangasinan, di ba? Yung average. Maliban lang kung naka-helicopter yung bibisita sa iyo, di ba? Would you agree?
Hindi ko po pakiulit po, Your Honor.
Sabi ko, pag bumisita sa iyo ang isang babae na ang distansya ay it would take 4 hours to travel, hindi ba may special relationship na?
Wala naman po siguro, Your Honor, kung...
Lalo na kung magtra-travel siya by helicopter dahil napakalayo yung 4 na oras eh.
Wala naman po sigurong special na relasyon.
At kung yung lalaki, bibisita sa Bamban, Tarlac, 4 hours away, escorted by a PNP vehicle, hindi ba may special relationship na rin yun?
Wala pong special na relationship po, Your Honor.
Sige, kasi I have received reports na yung sasakyan ng PNP ay nandun sa Bamban paminsan-minsan. At ang reports din, nabibisita ka ng naka-helicopter.
Wala po kung helicopter, Your Honor.
Hindi, sabi ko, yung bumibisita sa iyo, naka-helicopter. Hindi ko sinasabing ikaw ang may helicopter. Di ba?
Wala pong ganon, Your Honor.
Walang ganun, ah. Now, do you know Wesley Go?
Opo, Your Honor.
And you also know Alice Go?
Opo, Your Honor.
Yes. How did you come to know them?
Nakilala ko po sila noon, kung di po ako nagkakamali, mga 2016, Your Honor.
Si Mr. Duan Ren Wu, did you meet him?
Hindi ko po kilala po yung Duan.
May I ask the page? Pakita kay Mayor ito. And this is Duan Ren Wu.
Nakita ko po ito, Your Honor, pero hindi ko po alam yung pangalan niya.
Thank you. Can I have that? So, nakita mo siya sa isang okasyon doon sa lugar mo o lugar ni Mayor Go?
Sa ano po yun, Your Honor, sa isang event place po sa SWAL, hindi po sa atin.
Saan? Saan?
Isang event place po sa SWAL po, Your Honor.
Sa Sual, Pangasinan.
Opo.
Bisita mo, kasama yung mga kakilala mo, si Kasiong, si Miss Go, at saka si Duan Ren Wu, hindi mo nakilala?
Hindi ko po kilala, Your Honor, dahil hindi naman po pinakilala po sa akin.
So, hindi pinakilala ni Madam Go at saka Miss Kasiong, si Duan Ren Wu?
Hindi po, Your Honor, at napakaraming bisita po nung araw na yan po.
Okay, sige. Do you own Happy Penguin Resort?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Are you sure that you do not own Happy Penguin Resort before?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Ha? Meron pong, what is the former, is it the present name now, the Happy Penguin Resort? Is it its present name?
Hindi ko po naintindihan, Your Honor.
Yung bang Happy Penguin Resort, ito na ang pangalan niya noon pa?
Hindi po ako sigurado, Your Honor, kung yan na po yung pangalan.
Mayor ka ng Sual, Pangasinan. Nasa Sual, Pangasinan ito eh. Di ba?
Opo, pero hindi ko po matandaan lahat po yung mga pangalan po ng mga negosyo po.
Yung Happy Land Compound, alam po ninyo?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi po. Merong mga resibo ng Majesty Lumber and Construction Supply. I'm warning you, Mayor, ha? Nakakadalawa ka na. na nag-deliver ng materyales sa Happy Land Compound. Ang nakalagay na delivered to ay Mayor Liseldo Calugay. And you deny knowing na merong Happy Land Compound?
Yung pong materialis na yan po, Your Honor.
Hindi. Ang tinatanong ko kanina, kung alam mo yung Happy Land Compound.
Ang alam
Sabi
ko
mo,
po,
hindi.
ang alam ko po, Happy Penguin po, Your Honor.
O, iyon na nga, kaya ko nga inuna yung Happy Penguin eh. Dahil nag-iba ang pangalan eh. Ikaw naman, Mayor, oo. Diba?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Ano yung Happy Land? Iyon na nasa resibo, dalawa.
Maaring nagkamali po yung receiver, Your Honor. Kasi yan po, in order po ng kinakasama ko po yan na materyales sa kaibigan po ni Ate Cheryl, yung may-ari po ng hardware.
When did your marriage get annulled?
Hindi po ko sure, Your Honor, kung 2020 po.
Kung
2020.
2020, hindi ka pa sigurado. Kagaya ka rin ni Miss Cassandra Ong na hindi niya alam kung saan siya nag-graduate na eskwelahan ng elementary. Di ba? Hindi ba significant o natataan mo dapat kung 2020 nangyari yung paghihiwalay ninyo?
Ang pagkakaalam ko po, na-annulled po ako ng 2020, Your Honor.
2020. Tapos ang nirarason mo, baka ang nag-order nito, yung asawa mo. Eh, ang resibo, 2022 at saka 2023.
Opo. Sila po yung nag-usap po ni Ate Cheryl po. Sila pong mag-usap po dyan sa materialis, Your Honor.
Kaya nga, yung materialis, bakit pumupunta doon sa compound na Happy Land Compound o kaya Happy Penguin Compound? Bakit doon napupunta kung hindi mo pag-aari? Kanina, tinanong kita kung ikaw nagmamay-ari ng Happy Penguin. Sabi mo, hindi. Tinanong ko rin yung Happy Land. Sabi mo, hindi.
Your Honor, yan po ay...
Ano ang katotohanan, Mayor?
Your Honor, yan po ay... ang gumawa po niyan ay yung aking kapartner po.
Yung gumawa ng...
Yang mga... Yan pong building na nandyan po.
Granting without accepting na totoo yan, bakit unang-una papunta doon sa Happy Land Compound? Ano ang business ng asawa mo doon sa Happy Land Compound? At bakit nakalagay sa pangalan mo?
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor, bakit nakapangalan po sa akin. Pero ang kumontrata po dyan sa Happy Penguin, yung kinakasama ko po.
Ano?
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor, bakit po nakapangalan sa akin. At yan pong Happy Penguin ay kinontrata po ng aking kinakasama.
Did you sell a property last July of 2024?
Hindi ko matandaan po, Your Honor, kung yung lupa po yun, Your Honor.
Eh, ang tanong ko lang po, Mayor, is July of 2024.
Wala po. Your Honor, 2024 po ba yung sinasabi nyo na may binili po ako?
July 15, 2024 to be exact, Mayor.
Ay, meron po, Your Honor. May
Ay,
bininta po.
Bigla kang nakaalala eh. Alam mo kung bakit, Mayor? Kasi we already have started investigation when you started disposing of certain properties. Di ba? Kaya, conveniently, hindi mo natatandaan kaagad. But, pag nako-corner ka, inaamin mo rin. Di ba? Now,
Hindi,
sige. You have the floor.
hindi ko po matandaan, Your Honor, kaya tinignan ko po sa cellphone ko po.
Ganon? Now, meron ding farm. May I ask Alice Go, what is the name of your farm? Qlin? Trilin Q?
Thrilling Q, mga Tarem, Pangasinan po.
Yes, you have a farm in Trilin Q. Piggery Farm.
Yes po.
Tama? Right. Now, Mayor, when did you first meet Madam Go?
Sa farm po nila sa Bamban po, Your Honor.
Ang tanong ko po ay when?
Kung hindi po ako nagkakamali, mga 2016 po, Your Honor.
2016.
Opo.
Dahil, ano po yung okasyon? Bakit nagkatagpo kayo ni...
Naghanap po kami ng supplier po ng baboy, Your Honor.
Naghanap kayo ng supplier ng baboy. So, ang nakuha ninyo si Miss Go na may piggery farm.
Opo, dahil marami pong nakakaalam na sila po ay nagsusupply sa Pangasinan po. Sinabi po sa akin na may nagsusupply po ng baboy na ang pangalan po ay Alice.
Doon kayo unang nagkakilala.
Opo, Your Honor.
2016.
Opo, mga ganun po.
Okay, thank you. And you are not, shall we say, a partner insofar as Trilin Q Farm located in Mangatarem, Pangasinan is concerned?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi. Now, how would you explain that from the same lumber and construction supply company na pinag-orderan allegedly ng iyong asawa, ay nag-order ka rin for Trilin Q Farm owned by Alice Go. Tapos sabihin mo sa amin, wala kayong special relationship?
Tumawag po sa akin si Mayor Alice po, Your Honor. Naghahanap po siya ng murang magsusupply po ng mga pang-construction, Your Honor.
Tapos ang tinanungan mo si Miss Cheryl Medina na siya ang may kakilala doon sa Majesty Lumber and Construction Supply. Sinusundan ko lang yung mga sagot mo kanina.
Opo, Your Honor. At sabi ko, sila ni Ate China lang mag-usap po, Your Honor.
Yes. But anyway, Mayor, nung ikaw ay Mayor, how many times were you visited by the Mayor of Bamban?
Bibisita lang po ako, Your Honor, pag...
Hindi. How many times were you visited by the Mayor of Bamban? Ikaw ang binibisita.
hindi ko po matandaan kung mga 3 o 5 beses po, Your Honor.
Sa dami. Hindi mo na matandaan.
Mga ganun po, 3
Now,
hanggang 5
how many
po.
times did you leave your place, Sual, Pangasinan, to go to Bamban?
Hindi ko po naintindihan, Your Honor.
Binaliktad ko lang yung tanong ko. Ilang beses ka naman bumisita sa Bamban?
Bihira po, Your Honor.
Bihira.
Opo, Your Honor.
Ano yung numero na bihira, Mayor?
Pag may mga dadalhin po kung imbitasyon po, Your Honor.
Pag may dadalhin kang imbitasyon. What is your favorite color?
Pula po, Your Honor.
Well, how about Miss Go?
Your Honor, pink po.
Big. Kaiba. Yung mga fish cages doon sa Kwan, sa Sual, Pangasinan, hindi po ba allegedly yung pag-aari ni Miss Go ay colored pink? Mayor?
Wala po silang fish cage po sa Sual, Your Honor.
Wala kasi nasa ibang pangalan yung fish cages ninyo.
Ay, hindi po, Your Honor.
Yung Alicel Aqua Farm,
Yung Alicel Aqua Farm po, Your Honor, narinig ko po yan sa balita po nung nasa hospital po ako. Nagpa-imbestiga po ako kung yan po meron pong may-ari po yan, Your Honor. At kasi hindi po nakarating sa office ko po yan. Noong tinanong ko po yung MAU po, wala pong ganyang nag-operate po na aqua farm po, Your Honor.
wala siyang walang DTI certificate for Alicel Aqua Farm under Miss Sheila Lialgo.
Nakita ko po meron pong DTI, Your Honor.
Merong DTI certificate pero walang fish cages? Yung bang ibig niyo sabihin, Mayor?
Opo, Your Honor.
So, ang ibig sabihin, nag-i-issue ang DTI certificate sa isang ghost na lugar o na business?
Kasi po,
Ano
Your
po ba
Honor.
yung sinasabi niyo sa amin?
Opo, kasi po, Your Honor, marami pong kailangang permits po bago po ma-approve po yan ng LGU po, Your Honor.
Hindi ko po maintindihan. Ano sabi niyo?
Marami pong kailangang permit po.
So kung maraming permit, may nag-apply.
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor, kung sino po yung nag-apply dahil hindi po nakarating po sa opisina po natin, Your Honor.
So what you are trying to tell us, Mayor, is merong DTI certificate for Alicel Aqua Farm under the name of Miss Sheila Lialgo, pero walang farm. Yun po bang ibig niyo sabihin?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay, sige. Now, Madam Medina, how long have you been the staff of the Mayor of Sual, Pangasinan?
Almost 5 years, Your Honor.
5 years. So, nag-start siguro ng 2019?
2019, then mid of 2020, tumigil po ako.
2020?
2020. August 2020, umalis po ako ng munisipyo. Then bumalik po ako ng October 2021.
So, parang umalis kayo ng isang taon.
Yes po. Yes
so,
po, Your Honor.
hindi po dire-diretso yung 5 years?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi po.
Opo. Mga more than 4 years po, Your Honor.
Kayo po ang pinakamalapit na executive assistant ni Mayor?
Masasabi ko pong ganun po, Your Honor.
Ganon. Bakit nyo nasabi?
Kasi po, ako lang naman po yung malapit doon sa office niya, Your Honor.
Ha?
Ako po yung malapit sa office niya, Your Honor.
Ikaw ang pinakamalapit
Yes po, sa office niya.
doon sa office niya.
Yes
So,
po, Your Honor.
merong pagkakataon, kasi meron din ako mga pinagkakatiwalaan doon sa aking opisina eh. So, may mga pagkakataon na alam mo yung mga nangyayari doon sa buhay ng iyong boss.
Hindi naman ho lahat, Your Honor.
Hindi ko naman sinabing lahat eh. Madam Cheryl, ang tinatanong ko lang na may mga alam ka kahit personal at saka official na mga bagay-bagay. Kasi ikaw nga ang pinakamalapit. Tama?
Madalas po, Your Honor, sa mga anak lang po niya.
Sa mga anak.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay. Anyway, hindi ko na po kayo tatanungin dahil wala po yung staff ni Miss Go na nakakadeal ninyo eh. Di po ba?
Minsan-minsan po, Your Honor.
Yes. Mr. Chair, that would be all.
Thank you, Chairman Akop.